Alright, so we're on the Malberry River for this video. And as you can tell, it's pretty dry right now, but it's still flowing a little bit. Generally, when people are doing a lot of kayaking and canoeing through here, here's your little chute that they take. That gets pretty fast when the water's really going. This rock bar that I'm standing on right now, here's Bear. This rock bar I'm standing on right now is underwater a lot of times. And as you can tell, there's some pretty good sized rocks in here, so a lot of times people will come through this part of the river and they'll knock a hole in the bottom of their kayak or their canoe or whatever they're on. So you gotta be careful right through here. It's a beautiful morning this morning, low 50s. First time this fall that I've actually had to break out a little bit of a long sleeve shirt here. We'll take it off here shortly. It's starting to get up in the 60s now, but beautiful morning. You can't beat a morning like this. Bear and I decided to get out, come down here to the Malberry River. I've showed you the Malberry River. It's amazing. It's amazing. One thing about exploring though, if you're thinking about eating the whole time that you're exploring, you're not having much fun exploring. So what I like to do before I go do a lot of exploring is make myself a hearty breakfast. So that's what we're going to do this morning. It's going to be hash brown omelets. You'll want to stay tuned for this. I was going to go exploring yesterday and I hooked up my All Powers power station to my set power cooler. And it's the P45 45 quart cooler. And I've also got freezer on one side because I've got some hash browns in here. And I tell you what, that combination, that is an awesome combination. That thing has been going for over 24 hours now, and I've used 6% off the battery. So pretty amazing stuff right there. A little trick that I like to do on my grill is I will put a little water on it so I can level it and clean it at the same time. You can see that I'm really off kilter right now. So let's get this thing straightened up. All right, I worked that thing around, finally got it to where the water is not rolling anyway. So hopefully we're pretty level now. So some simple ingredients to get everything started this morning. I've got the Black Label thick cut hickory smoked bacon, shredded hash browns, shredded cheese. I like to use the Mexican cheddar jack. It just seems like it has a better taste when I'm doing stuff like this. Then I have a jalapeno from my own garden at the house, and also a banana pepper from my own garden at the house, and a couple of eggs. It's actually 2 jumbo eggs that I've got right here. I'm sorry, it's got 3 jumbo eggs in it. Now, if you got one of these protein shaker things at home, it's got the little metal thing in the middle of it, kind of like that. You can see that down there in the bottom, the little shaker thing. All right, if you've got one of those, these are the greatest things in the world for taking to camp to store your eggs in. So great camp hack. Just put your eggs in there. When you're ready for them, stir them up, and they're good to go. All right, so first things first, I'm going to start off with my bacon because it takes the longest to cook. And when you don't have multiple cooking spaces, like I'm just on my Blackstone Adventure Ready Grill right now. So that's all the space I really have. I could put it on a burner right there, but I'm in no big hurry right now. So really a couple of pieces are going to go on the omelet, and then the other 3 is just going to be for my side pieces. Because, you know, you can never have too much bacon. That dog, it loves exploring. He loves water too. Here he comes. He's a rescue dog. That's kind of how he became a rescue dog, because he was a stray. Where'd you go? There he is. He was a stray, came up to my sister-in-law's house. They couldn't keep him. We ended up actually finding his owner. His owner decided that they didn't have the time and patience for him. So, where are you? Here he is. So now he's with us. So once you're done cooking your bacon, go ahead and start those hash browns. They're just cooking in bacon grease right now, but I am going to add a little bit of olive oil to them. I got my hash browns down on about a medium fire, and I just want to make them crispy. Not going to add a lot to it, just a little bit, just enough to keep them from scorching. Now this is where you also want to start seasoning too. Today I'm just using plain old salt and pepper, but if you want to use, anything that you prefer for seasoning, go ahead and do it. Just a light coating, don't get crazy with it. Now if you're the type that wants to shred your cheese and shred your potatoes and all that stuff to make your hash browns, go for it. I mean, that's you. When I go to camp, I want to do things the easy way. All right, it's still gonna be tasty. It's not gonna be gourmet, and that's not me. I'm here to do unpretentious type of food that everybody's gonna find easy to make at camp. Yeah, guys, I don't know about you, but I'm getting hungry already. That is looking good. Looks like this guy's already wore himself out. He's been playing pretty hard this morning. He's ready to take a little nap in the sun. Now, as you're getting your hash browns browned, go ahead and get your peppers on there. This is jalapenos right here with a little oil in it, and those are banana peppers right there. I'm gonna make sure I've got a little oil in them so they don't scorch. That's gonna be real nice. Yes, unfortunately my grill got off a little bit. It's off level. The gravel underneath my table has kind of settled some, and so it's kind of going down towards this corner a little bit. Grill's pretty hot underneath right now, so I'm just gonna have to make do with what I got because I don't want to burn my hands. Still looking good though. There, for those of you that was bothering, I fixed it. I scooped it up on my good stuff. All right, so now I got a little bit of a char on my peppers there, so I'm gonna go ahead and take them off. That's how I like it, with just a little bit of char, but you gotta be careful. Don't let it get burned. So that's how you like it. Just watch what you're doing. Now this next part's gonna go really fast, so kind of get your hash browns in a rectangle, get them ready to go. When you pour your eggs right onto the hash browns, some of it kind of escapes a little bit, that's fine. Just go ahead and round it up, get it on top of your hash browns. At this point, you got all your good stuff up in it. Sometimes I'll get a little flip just to make sure that the other side gets cooked a little bit. Then I'm going to crease them together. All right, now it's time to flip it together. Get over here, crease it. There you go. Doesn't look great. I had to leave for a second and find out what the heck Bear was after. He's over there growling. I was worried it was a snake. So we kind of let it get away from me a little bit, but that's the gist of it. I guarantee it's going to taste good. And cheese, I like to use the Mexican cheddar jack. It just seems like it has a better taste when I'm doing stuff like this. All right, guys, so there you go. Not the most aesthetically pleasing looking omelet you've ever seen, but as I've said many a times, I am not a professional. I am you, just out in the woods showing you things that I like to cook too. So hopefully you like this. I guarantee it's going to taste good. And be sure to comment, tell us what you like for camp breakfast or any other type of camp meal, and we'll see if we can get it done. Be sure to smash, like, and subscribe. Hit that alerts button too so you know when new content comes out. Now that's mighty fine right there. That's some good stuff. Just enough jalapenos and banana peppers to really give it a little punch. Bacon sets it off. Of course, everything's better with bacon. And you know, out here, beautiful place, great dog. It doesn't get any better than this, folks. Everything's better with bacon. You know, just like when you're at camp sometimes you get distracted from what's going on. You finally decide to come get your piece. And little dude right here distracted me. Thought he was after a snake or something for a second, the way he was carrying on. So I had to go check on him. Didn't get a great flip on it. That's what happens at camp too. You have distractions. And so, what you see right there, it still tastes great. Hey buddy. Bear, you want this? There you go. I think he approves of the bacon. He ain't a whole lot of it. I know you're not supposed to give him a whole lot of bacon, but he's getting a little bit. Anyway, I hope this gave you a great idea for camp breakfast. It sure is good. It really is good. It's one of my favorite breakfasts. How you like that? Breakfasts. It's one of my favorite breakfast meals to make while we're in camp. And even if I'm just out exploring like I am today, I'm not even in camp today, I'm just exploring. I want to stop, get something to eat. This hits the spot every time. Every time. So anyway, I hope you like it. Stay tuned for more videos. There's good stuff, dude. I know you want some. There you go. I'll give you a little bit of eggs. How about that? Yep. Gosh dang it. Cheese. The cheese. How do I forget the cheese on the omelet?